Hi everyone, I'm Jiling. Today we'll be discussing a little bit about tea ceremony. So I wanted to show my little traveling tea bag. In the tea bag I have a gaiwan, and this comes with me everywhere. So very simple setup. Here's the top of the tea set, the main body of the teacup, all wool sweater, and the decanting or drinking vessel. So the gaiwan means covered cup or covered bowl. So this is a gaiwan here with the body of the cup and the cover of the cup. And then traditionally there's also a saucer underneath. So the upper part of the gaiwan representing the sky, covering the vessel of the human in the middle. And then down below, the bottom of the saucer representing the earth. So we've got 天地人, sky up above, human right in the middle, and then the earth down below. We'll demonstrate with some 普洱茶. So usually roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending on how strong you like your tea. So first pour is to wash the tea leaves. So putting a bit of hot water in, enough to cover up the tea leaves, and then I'm just gonna pour that first one right out. And then second pour, this is our actual pour. So pouring the hot water into the vessel, into the gaiwan vessel, and then capping it. And then this part is the meditative part, in which sitting with the tea and knowing that inside of the gaiwan there's magic happening. There's hot water, which is waking up the leaves, and in this one there's stems and leaves that have fermented and come from most likely Yunnan province in China, and they're dancing with the hot water, and phytochemicals are getting extracted, and what was once clear water is getting transformed. So that feels like about the right amount of time, slightly less than 1 minute. I'm gonna pour that in. And the color is this beautiful reddish, golden, dark color of 普洱茶. So with this pour, it's usually able to steep about 5 to 6 times, depending on how strong you make your tea. So once you decant from the gaiwan into whatever it is, the cup that you're drinking out of, sip and enjoy.